taking a look at question 3, we're looking at this function here, and we're looking for each of our key features, our x-intercepts, our y-intercepts, vertical asymptote, horizontal asymptote, and the whole. So that's the pieces that we're looking for. So we're going to start by simplifying. So I'm going to have x plus 2 over, and I'm going to factor this. Leading coefficient is 1, so it's a shortcut. And I need to multiply to negative 10 and add to negative 3, so 2 and 5 with a 5 negative. And then these are going to cancel. Bloop, bloop. So my simplified form is going to be 1 over x minus 5. So to find my x-intercept, I'm going to let y equal 0. So my y equals 0, that means it's going to be 0 equals 1 over x minus 5, which really it's just the numerator. That can't happen, so that's going to be none. There's not an x-intercept. For my y-intercept, I'm going to do f of 0. So f of 0, I'm going to plug it in here to my simplified form. I get negative 1/5. So my y-intercept is going to be 0, negative 1/5. It might be in there as a decimal, I don't remember. My vertical asymptote is going to come from right here. So the vertical asymptotes come from your denominator, anything that does not cancel. So it's your restriction that does not cancel. So that's going to be x equals 5. My horizontal asymptote comes from up here. My numerator is less than my denominator, degree. That's got an exponent of 1. That's got an exponent of 2. Anytime my numerator is less than my denominator, it is going to be y equals 0. And then the last but not least is the whole. The whole is going to come from right here. It's going to come from your denominator that does cancel. So x plus 2 equals 0. So at x equals negative 2. And to find the y value, I'm going to do f of negative 2. And I'm going to plug it into that simplified version. So negative 1/7. And there's the whole thing. I got a little bit messy there. This is the whole. This is the vertical asymptote. This is the y-intercept. And this is the x-intercept.